Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today my son Adib will make blueberry lemon bread. He also has a few other videos on my channel. I will link them to the end of this video. Let's get started.
In a bowl, I'm going to start out with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Two teaspoons of baking powder and a half teaspoon of salt. Mixing this together very well, and I'm going to set it aside. For the bread, I'm gonna need lemon juice. It's best if you can squeeze it fresh. I'm squeezing 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I also need the zest of the entire lemon. Starting with the wet ingredients, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Adding a half cup of oil, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and 1 cup of sugar. Next, add in the lemon juice and the lemon zest. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And mix it all together until it's very smooth. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until the ingredients are just combined. Don't overmix because it'll make the bread hard. In this bread, I'm using 1 cup of blueberries. You can use frozen or fresh, but if you're using fresh, make sure the blueberries are ripe. Coating them in 2 teaspoons of flour so then they do not sink to the bottom of my pan. Then you'll want to gently fold them into the batter. I prepared a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan by greasing it and lining it with parchment paper. Baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. For the last 10 minutes, I'm covering it with foil so then it does not get too brown. An hour later, this is what the bread looks like, so I'm going to let it cool down and I'll start on my lemon glaze. For the glaze, there are no measurements, just mix together powdered sugar and lemon juice until you have as much glaze as you'd like. If it is too thin, add more powdered sugar, and if it is too thick, add more lemon juice. This is how the glaze should be. Now I'm gonna make more so then I have enough for my entire bread. Drizzling it on with a spoon, and the bread is lightly sweet, so if you'd like it to be more sweet, then add more glaze. This is what it looks like inside, and you can see that the blueberries are in there mixed into the lemon cake. I think it makes a really nice combination of flavors. This bread was really easy to prepare and came together with simple ingredients. If you like this recipe, please check out my mom's channel, Hasina Mustafa Munna's Recipes, and like this video and share and subscribe to the channel. Allah Hafiz!